Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I am going to show you how to grow zinnias from seeds. Zinnias are one of the wonderful best flower in summer months and you can grow round the year. Here I have bought some seeds from BD Parek and the Zinnia Dahlia flower mix. This is the big flower of around 4-inch diameter, double size, and soil mix I have taken here cow dung compost, vermi compost, coco peat, and some river sand. Just have a look how I mixed all these three components. What is the ratio exact? So I mixed some. This is the cow dung compost around 2 years old. Taking vermi compost. 3 parts is coco peat, dried coco peat, and I'll be taking 1 part river sand. Mix it well for the best quality seedling mix. So here are the seedlings are ready and a tray. So just make sure the bottom hole is covered with some nets here in order to prevent soil getting out from these pots and facilitate the water to drain out. And now I am filling up the tray for seedling tray here, and after filling up the seedling tray I have to sprinkle little bit of water so that the moisture is here is given here. I am sprinkling water here, and after sprinkling water I will be sowing the seeds. Just a look how I have taken, and before that prepare some water mixed with fungicide. So this is the all. Now I am tearing out the packet of the seed packet. This is the Zinnia Dahlia flower mix, and the seed here big packet around 1000 seed of this Zinnia. And now I am sowing the seeds here. Distribute the seeds in equal distance in 1 foot diameter trays. You can sow around 100 to 200 seeds here, and just see the seeds are already chemically treated. You don't have to apply any fungicides in the seeds. So this is I am sowing the seeds directly. They will around this is the around sowing the seeds here. Now after sowing the seeds in these 3 trays, I am covering with the same soil mix that I have covered. Around thin layer of soil mix I will be covering here, and after covering of the seeds, now sprinkle water that is mixed with fungicide, and now cover with wrap with some of the newspapers in order to retain the moisture inside and the heat and moisture. I will keep it for around 3 days, and after 3 days I will uncover the all the wrappings here, and in the within 3 days you don't have to water or anything. Keep it in semi-shade area for 3 days. After 3 days uncover all the wrappings here, newspaper, and sprinkle water. You have to sprinkle water every day after unwrapping the cover. So this is all. So friends, this is the 6th day, and now seedlings are ready, beautiful, and almost every seed have germinated, beautiful, around 1 inch height seedlings, and they are nice, and all the pots are ready. Friends, this is day 30, and now the seedlings we have transplanted in a 3-inch pot, and now we are transplanting it in the garden. So this is the garden. We are placing the pots here, and we are transplanting in the garden area. So just taking out the seedlings from the pots, and now placing in the places of this garden here. Just exact location, a gap of around 1.5 feet gap, and just dig out the soil from here. Mix some compost, vermi compost, and put some soil. This is the technique how you can place the alternative position in between the gaps. You can put these seedlings here. This is the seedling they are placing. Our assistants are placing the seedlings here. So this is the nice one. Now after growing the seedlings, just have to water it properly, and take care of all the seedlings, and they will grow nicely. Welcome back, friends. After this is the day 60, and you see the plants are grown around more than 1 feet tall, and many some birds are appeared here. These are the birds of zinnia, and new branches will come out from here. Several branches will come out here. Just started flowering in 60 days, and they will plants will be bigger and bigger, and flowers will be around 4 inch in diameter. This is the only the starting of flowering here, you see. Now friends, this is the day 75. My plants are ready and beautiful, around 2 feet tall, and every plant have a 2 to 3 flowers, and these are all dahlia, double flowers, double petals, and they are the starting of the flowering, and within 1 month you will see the plants are full of flowers. So this is the zinnia you must grow, and around the year you can grow winter months, be it a summer month or be it all these monsoon months. Every season you can grow, and you can grow directly from the seeds, and these are easy, and seeds are not costly. These are easily available and they germinate very well. Only thing you have to take care of this white some ants and some insects, some only the disease is a leaf curl disease, so you have to control the pests, white flies you have to control in order to check the leaf curl disease here, and nothing you have to take extra, and fertilize it once or twice in a month, and that will be enough. So this is all for growing zinnia from seedlings to the final stage, and they will grow up to 5 to 6 months. They will live and they will flower, and you can collect seeds from here also. They are nice flowers, and the flower stays for around 15 days. The flower stays very long, and the flowers are very sturdy. You can grow it in cut flower also. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are new to, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being there. So nice.